CheddarUp Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people think collecting money from groups should be simple, but here's the surprising truth. It often turns into awkward reminders, missed payments, and messy spreadsheets. CheddarUp was created to solve that exact problem. CheddarUp is a digital collection platform designed for group payments. It is widely used by schools, sports teams, parent groups, offices, and community organizers. Instead of chasing people for cash, you can send a single link and collect payments online in minutes. Here's what most people get wrong. They assume CheddarUp is only for schools. In reality, it works for almost any group collecting money for events, dues, fundraisers, trips, uniforms, and more. Setting it up is simple. You create a collection page, list what people are paying for, and share your link by text, email, or social media. People can pay with a card or bank transfer, even if they do not have a CheddarUp account. CheddarUp keeps everything organized in one dashboard. You can track who has paid, send reminders automatically, and export reports for accounting or reimbursements. The surprising truth is that CheddarUp can save hours of admin time every month. Instead of spreadsheets and cash envelopes, everything stays digital and searchable. There are free and paid plans. The free version works well for small groups, while paid plans unlock features like lower transaction fees, branding, and advanced reporting. CheddarUp is best for teachers, parents, coaches, team leaders, and anyone managing group money. If you are tired of chasing payments, CheddarUp can make collections painless. Subscribe to the channel for more money-saving tools and honest reviews.